welcome back to Detailing World. Today we're going to be unboxing my new toy. You've probably guessed from the title and the thumbnail what it is. And I've ordered myself a new pressure washer after mine died last week after 10 years of loyal service. So yeah, I've just captured a quick break during Storm Kira, or whatever it's called, the big winds that we've got. And I'm going to try and film this as quickly as I can whilst the wind and the rain's all died down and there's not too much noise in here and the garage doors rattling. So I'm going to quickly unbox this and yeah, we'll go through it. So yeah, as I said, my pressure washer died last week basically. It's been pulsing on and off for about a year or two actually, and then it's just lost all power over the last 2 weekends. And that is the trusty Nilfisk C110. I think that cost me about £50 sort of 9 or 10 years ago. So basically it's cost me like £5 per year to run. It's not failed really until now. It's the only issue I've had. And yeah, I've always wanted a Kranzle. I always wanted the K10122. But I could never justify the cost, and this came up. So basically a little bit of background on this is it's a ex-demo machine, so I've managed to get this quite cheap. I'll list the full prices, but yeah, I think this retails as a standard kit for about £1,000. And then I wanted a few other bits and bobs as well, so this should be in here hopefully. A couple of quick release attachments, an extra reel or an extra long hose hopefully, and some other bits. So yeah, we'll dive into this and get this unboxed and have a first look at it. So yeah, this thing weighs an absolute ton. It took 2 of us to lift it into the back of the car, and then me and the missus to carry it out into here. This is, what is it? I forgot what the exact number is now. We'll have a look in a minute. It'll say on the box. So let's quickly open it up. It's the, get rid of that, it's the 2160TS model, so it's sort of like the, I guess one of the flagships of the home use range, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. It's a decent spec machine. So, yes, let's have a quick look. Ooh, God, that's heavy. So yeah, when I put this order in, I was told it would be like a 2-week wait because I wanted the longer reel, and they didn't have that. Picture's got the reel on it, so I'm hoping that's what's inside this. Yeah, and I ordered it Tuesday and it arrived on Thursday. So let's have a quick look what's in here. Let's just take you off here and we'll have a dive in. Lovely, 2160TS, looks like they've thrown in a baseball cap in there. Let's have a look. Nice Kranzle cap there. We'll give that a try. What else have we got? So yeah, looks like a longer, that's like a rubberized texture on there. Very nice feeling. Get this out, we'll take everything out and yeah, I'll mount the camera rather back on the tripod. What we got here? Oh. Yeah, I'll get that out in a moment. So we've got the quick release gun as well. Zap, zap. God, that's a heavy gun. That is a heavy, heavy gun handle. So just by feeling that, let me just put you back on the tripod because yeah, no doubt you're getting a bit seasick right now. Let's move this about. There we go, got that out. So we've got the an adjustable yeah, lance there with a grip on it. So I went for the short gun onto the short trigger gun, and it's the quick release as well. So there's probably a little bit of setup I've got to do here. I don't know yet. Ooh. Packaging, don't need that. What else do we have in here? Operating manuals. Man rules, you don't need to read them. Oh yeah, I asked for a thingamajig. A snow foam cannon as well. I am going to need a bunch of quick release adapters as well, I believe. When I say adapters for all the other Lancers, because although I use a Nilfisk, you'll notice, if I don't fall off my chair, all the snow foam Lancers have got the Carter attachments, because prior to the Nilfisk, I went through a couple of Carter machines, so on the back of this, I know it's a bit irrelevant for me now, but I've got an adapter. Let's see if you can just see that. I've got a plug just there, so it converts the Nilfisk hose to a Karcher hose. The reason, as I say, is because at the time of buying that, I was quite invested into the Karcher range, and I bought a longer Karcher hose, so I didn't really want to go out and spend all that money again. So yeah, all of my lances, I've got 1, 2, 3, the new Dodo Juice one, 4. I think I've got 4 snow foam lances, so I need, and obviously the Kranzle one now, but that comes with a quick release, so I'll probably get the quick release spray nozzles as well. So let's see. This is not going to work well with a bad back. After yesterday's recordings, which you'll see in March, yeah, my back is killing. So as I said, this is just a quick view. Let's rip this off and see if we can get this out without crippling myself. This weighs an absolute ton. Oh, bend with your knees. There we go. Yeah, so you can tell it's an ex-demo. The power lead's got a bit of like dust on it. That's pretty much it. There's a mark, you know, a couple of marks here and there, but for the price I got it at, absolute bargain. Absolute bargain. More than I expected to spend, really. I had a budget in mind. I was looking at, basically my budget was looking at Karcher K4s. Even K7s, I was just like, I'd like one, but that is just way too much for me. This costs, yeah, a fair bit more than a K7. I'll put, like I said, I'll put all the prices below. So in fact, yeah, we'll go through everything I've come with. I'll put the price next to all the items, and links as well in the description below. I'm sure you can buy these on Amazon as well. Or any decent sort of detailing supplier will be able to get hold of these for you. Whether or not you can get an ex-demo one, I'm not quite sure. I wouldn't quite know where you'd be able to get one from. I was fortunate this was kind of offered to me. So yeah, let's just have a quick look at all the attachments that's come in this box then. So yeah, first of all then we've got the Kranzle 2160TS itself. So that is the total stop machine. So as soon as you let off the trigger, that will just cut the power, and yeah, basically energy saving and all of that funky jazz. I think that retails for about £1,000. Price will come up on screen now. The bits and bobs then, so they've sent me a cap. Yeah, I'm not going to put the price of that on there. I don't know how much they cost, but I don't know, it might be a tenner. We'll say a tenner. A short trigger gun, a short quick release gun as well. So yeah, that's going to be interesting to use. That feels really heavy, really well made. I'll get some close-ups of these as well for you in just a moment. What else have we got then? So we also got, hopefully, I've not measured it, but hopefully that is a 15-meter hose. I did request a 15-meter. My current setup is the standard 3 with a 10 extension. So I'm using 13 and that gets around the car. So I'm hoping that it's not just a standard 10-meter and it is in fact a 15. I'll check that out in a moment actually, because it's still dry outside. The storm's just calmed down a little bit. And then we've got the lance with the hand grip on it with a quick release. In fact, let's have a quick look, see how this goes together. So like I said, I don't know how much it costs to upgrade to this and for the extra hose and the lance. But is that how it goes in? This is all going to be new to me. It's going to be a massive learning curve. Don't quite know how... I'm sure you're all... Oh, there we go. There we go. So there's a slot, so you have to line these notches up here for that to pull back into, and then pops out. So that's pretty funky. That's quite nice, that. And then also got the snow foam lance as well from Kranzle. Where do I need my knife? Let's have a look into this. To be fair, what I'll probably do is I might swap the... I'm just going to tear this right open because there's no easy way of doing it. I'm going to swap it, yeah. I thought as much. It's a narrow bottle. It's a Kranzle branded bottle. It's a 1 litre. It's got the measurements on there as well. If you can see that, I think you're a bit overexposed. It's got the 1/4 litre, 1/2 litre, 3/4 and 1 litre measurements on there. I will probably take off the, sorry about that on the microphone, I'll probably take off the quick release attachment and put it onto the detailed online wide mouth one, because that doesn't fall over. I imagine right now, if I try and do that, oh, it's standing. Let's put it back there. Oh, it's standing, but yeah, I'll probably change that anyway, because the wide, although I say that about the detailed online being wide mouth, that is wider than normal. Yeah, 2 fingers in that. So yeah, there we go, not overexposed. That's wider than normal, so not too bad. We'll see how I get on with this. I'll give it a chance, to be honest with you. Yeah, sorry about that. So there we have it. I know I keep saying a bit. I am rushing this video. I wanted to get this done whilst the weather's still dry. Oh, that just sounds amazing. Oh, and it's got swivel, so you can move your gun, hold it how you want. I really am hoping this is the last pressure washer that we'll ever have to buy. As I said, I just need to buy a bunch of these attachments on the end. It feels a bit greased up, that. I need to buy about 3 or 4 of them. I know I don't technically need to swap all of my foam lancers to that fitment, but I might want to use the detailed online one day. I might want to use the green one from Dodo Juice, or a red one, you know, the generic ones or whatever. Just have a bit of fun swapping it up. Or obviously there's going to be the cases where I'm going to be doing snow foam tests, so I'm going to need to have multiple products ready and waiting to go, rather than having to keep decanting into just one bottle with the attachment. So yeah, I will end up buying a fair amount of attachments for that, and also those quick release different spray heads. Seems to be the latest trend everyone's jumping on, so yeah, I'll probably get them as well. So that's pretty much it, really. Just a very quick video. Yeah, I'm just so excited to get this. As I said, I've wanted the K10/122 for probably about 10 or so years. It's just always been the price. I know they last from what everyone said, so this is not to put anyone off. I do believe that you do get what you pay for. And the feedback that I've read on I think it's the 1152, the smaller model to this, the feedback that I've seen on that, it's an excellent machine. I'm not seeing as many YouTube videos on the 2160TS, you know, Pan the Organizer, Matt at Obsessed Garage. All of those guys are running 1152s or K10s. I know Matt at Obsessed Garage, he seems to have both. And he's got the K10 or the K7 mounted on a wall, but he's also got a bunch of videos on the 1152. So yeah, I'm hoping then over the next few weeks and months, I'm going to do a few more updates on this. As I said, this is literally just the first look and unboxing. I should have written some features down, but I've just run out with the camera whilst the weather's taking a break from all the storm. I should have wrote some features down. In fact, I'll put them up on screen about now, just here. And yeah, thanks very much for watching this one. I'm absolutely chuffed, as I say once again, more than I expected to pay, more than I wanted to pay, but I'm hoping it's the last pressure washer I ever buy. And hopefully it's dry next weekend, so I can have a quick play with this. So yeah, once again, thanks very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, as always, please make sure you smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to this channel already, please do consider subscribing. Also, check us out on Instagram at Detailing World Official. I'm on there for the behind the scenes if you want to see how I get on with this at Randomly Set. And yeah, have fun detailing, and see you in the next one.